intro. This is GTA San Andreas. Yeah. Sneha toepakkelijk. Gangster, gangster. Let the quest begin. Okay, let's go. Tenpenny. Officer Tenpenny. Officer Tenpenny.
After 5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
Welcome to Los Santos Airport.
What's up? Carl is sweet.
What's up, sweet? What you want?
This mama. She's dead, bro. Passenger, show us your hand. Stop. Get down on your knees. Now down on your stomach. There you go. I'll take that, Hernandez.
Hey, that's my paper, man. That's money.
This is drug money.
My money, man.
Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fill it out later.
Welcome home, Carl. Glad to be back. You haven't forgotten about us, have you,
İyileştiğini
boy?
Hell no,
tutacağız.
Officer Tenpenny. I was
Bıçaklardır.
just wondering what took y'all so long.
Gangster.
Get in the car.
Ease up,
Santos
man.
olduğunu kileyim. Şirin vakti mi lan?
Watch your head. Oh, my bad.
Get out of here, you greaseball bastard! Stupid Mexican. Oh, hey, sorry.
My bad.
Bunun
Hey, man, my
üstü
bag.
tutarlar arkadaşlar.
How you been, Carl? How's your wonderful family?
I'm here to bury my moms. You know that.
Yeah, I guess I do. So what else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I live in Liberty City now. I'm clean. Legit.
Nah, you ain't never been clean, Carl.
Well, what do we got here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Pendleberry. A fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I just got off the plane.
Well, that's a good thing we found you. Retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah, don't bullshit him, Carl.
What the fuck you want from me this time?
When we want you, we'll find you. In the meantime, try not to gun down any more officers of the law.
Y'all can't leave me here. This baller's country.
I thought you said you was innocent, Carl. But you don't pass.
This is car 58.
See you around like a donut,
What?
Carl.
Officer Pendlebury's down. We'll be right over.
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights baller country. Now, I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years, but the ballers won't give a shit.
Home.
Grove Street. Home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
You hoping I don't see you again?
Home.
Stop it! What are you doing? Carl, Brian, stop it!
Quit it! Moms are here.
Mom, they're up to something.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Hey, hey! Big Smoke! It's me, Carl! Chill, chill!
Chill, Big Smoke. Chill, chill.
Oh, my dog! What's up?
Hey, baby, you okay, man?
Nah, man. It's my mom's, homie.
Hey, I don't know why this had to happen, but I promise you, I'm gonna find out who killed your moms. The streets is cold, dog. Like it says in the book, we are blessed and cursed.
What fucking book?
Same things make us laugh, make us cry. But right now, we gotta take care of our business. Go see your brother at the cemetery. Come on, let's bounce. You wanna drive?
Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real.
Sweet Elkan.
I miss you these 5 years, man. They're gonna be real happy to see you. Hey, what's up, y'all? Look who I found hanging around.
Carl, hey, good to see you.
I can't believe she gone, man.
That's another funeral you ran away from, fool. Just like Brian's.
Hey, she was my mama too.
Not for the past 5 years she wasn't, nigga. And where the fuck you think you going?
What? Get out my face. I'm going to see Caesar.
The hell you are, girl. You ain't messing with them essays. You know we beefed it. They ain't nothing but a
Look,
bunch
I
of
love
lowlife.
women. What the fuck are you?
At least I got principles.
Oh, and I guess that makes you an upstanding American. Carl, tell him.
Carl, don't tell me shit,
As long
bitch.
as he treat her right, disrespect you, and he
How the
did.
hell you gonna say that? Like it's any business of yours.
Fuck you, sweet.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
This shit's real fucked up. Everything.
What you mean?
What, apart from your mother being dead? Things are going real bad. Here, let me show you, Running Man. Tony's buried over there. Little Devil over there. And Big Devil over there. Man, it's just crazy. Everybody blasts on fools first, then ask questions second.
Grazie.
Ballers, drive by, incoming.
My car! We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
Sütükdür хэрэгтэй. Sütükдür хэрэгтэй. Süтэл зүг замаар дагуулах баха.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Big Smoke зад
Things
мөнгө
changed
шиг
around here.
Чүггүй. Яад ганцхан над руу буудаад байгаа юм бэ? Би чи Карл шүү дээ. Леч ганцхан над руу яага. Мөнгө авчихсан.
Give me that.
Голохгүй шүү дээ. Яад ганцхан дүнгэж ирж байгаа чи. Дүнгэж ирж байгаа чи яагаад ганцхан болооч. Хар залууч юм аа.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
Why get so bad? I thought this.
Shit, a baller's car's onto it. Split up.
Keep up, motherfucker. Just a liability, CJ. Why you bother coming back?
Цаад ирнэ
Straight
хийх
back
юм.
into the game, right, dog?
Estúpido.
Wasn't this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
Cycling skill. Сайжиж шүү.
Watch it.
На Big Smoke. Хамгийн бүдүүн болохоор ард уцарч байгаа шүү.
Get out the way.
Big Smoke гэж байна. Балаас шүү. Нэг хоёр балаас гараад ирлээ. Энд л аюул шүү дээ. Энд л хамгийн аюул шүү дээ.
I got them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Ride a nigga.
So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later.
Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you.
Haircut. Карлиги краштай. Карлчууд биш үү? Си. Бацгийн дараач ирж явах хэрэгтэй юм байна. $408. $8. $408 гэдэг байна.
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here. Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Triple Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, set tripping, ballers and Vagos are taking over. So watch yourself out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention it.
Right.
Hey, man, what you want?
Seeing my homie. What's up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah, it's good to see you back.
No homie love? No hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some pizza place keep taking over our hit up, man. Shit is beautiful. Teach her on a lesson. The fucking Grove Street. You damn?
I'm always down.
Let's go, bitch. Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie. I'm trying out for the end of
Харч дандаа морин жолооч гэж шүү.
Hey, old Reed still run the barbershop?
like a raggedy ass motherfucker. He
Энэ
popped
түүхийн
his
туршилт
brain
морин
years
жолооч
ago.
гэдэг юм.
The way I left that old fool in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes? I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing.
Гой байл.
You still a buster to me.
Yeah, okay, thanks, homie.
Yeah, don't mention it.
Ягууны цадрах гэж л.
Sit down, CJ.
Таних бол CJ явахд шүү дээ. Танил байх.
You wanted him.
Caesar шийдсэн. $400 шүү. Энэ боломж юу гэж найлбар. Яа нэ гэж. Зүүн тавьчих юм зүсэлтэй. Дээрийг захлуулцлаа. Сахалтай. Афро. Сахалгүй афро шүү. Энэ бол гоц. Латта. Тач. $1. Үгүй засуул гэдэг юм шүү дээ.
Moms would be proud.
Засуул гэсэн чинь уулчтай гэдэг шүү дээ.
Tell Big Smoke he needs a cut.
Yeah.
You know something?
Yeah.
I take it back.
Yeah.
Old Reed still got it cracking. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. Looking too skinny, CJ. I want to get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this. Then I'm gonna take care of business.
Маа тэр турхаар гэж нэг ч юмстэй. Антена. Нийлэлцэл байл та.
Chewy crust or sweaty crust? Your
Ah,
choice,
нэг
sir.
юм авч. Үгүй. Салат мэл.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Райдерч слаттай залуу өстэй.
Give up the money.
Малгайгаа яачваа.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Shit, you crazy. Let's get up
Райдер
out of here.
малгайгаа яачваа.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster. Oh,
shit.
Run!
Шоткантэй залуу.
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker.
Залуу чуу чүлхийг хүсэж чи. Алчил гэж. Алчил явуулаад шээ. Drive home. Райдер ч манай хурш шүү дээ.
Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti, too.
Later, homie.
Одоо яах вэ гэдэггүй байна. Тэгтээ ажлыг болгох гэж байгаа.
Come on, fat boy.
Яг
Come
нэг
on,
таар.
fat boy.
Watch this,
Fat
watch
boy,
this.
look at. Look who's here, running man. What you
Spin
think,
it,
you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean
Spin
shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, pork chop. Hey, wait up.
Ah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
Тийчтэй Карл л машин байна шүү дээ.
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up.
Grove Street for life. Ойлголоо.
There's another 2 baller tags in the hood.
Тийшээч
You
бичиж.
go get them, and I'll keep the engine running.
Цагтай.
When you set up the needle,
I know what I'm doing. Get me a donut. Come on. You know who I am.
Зүтгэж.
I'm gonna deal with this.
Ямар хурд өгдөг цагтай вэ?
This is the LFPD.
Энд байхмгийн хурдаараа гүйж ах чинь.
Come on, let's cruise into ballers territory.
East Los Santos.
You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood.
Хэлгүй яах вэ? Жолооч юмсан. Төшин дээр нэр бичиж тахарч байна.
Been sober for over a year.
Хоёр гайд. Хоёр баалаас зогсож байна да. Нэртэл үсэнд юм да. Шот.
What the fuck?
Шот чичтэй дараа нь.
Not letting you
Get
screw up
that
my
fool.
life again.
I'll get him. It'll be therapy.
Yeah, let's get him up toe to toe.
it's on there. You want
I'm your bitch, huh?
move out my way, fool?
Дээр ба бичиг дарж бичих чухал шүү бас. Grove Street гэх юм бэ.
Carl, quick, get in!
Well, excuse me.
Get us back to the
Оо,
hood, CJ.
цагт өөрөө ирэх юм биш шүү. Та нар харсан шүү.
Man, you gotta keep
Өөрөө хэлсэн юм биш шүү.
The city of the stars moving and cars. Well, I guess
Drift. Drift.
what you got to say.
like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kind of shocked, you
Daha sonra
know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with number small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something.
Шитэн царай мэрэгчсэн базаахгүй царайтай юм. Yes, $200. Clean the hood.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell
Ташаач юм
gay and
хийгээ.
ruin the place. No crack
Ташаач
ever
юм
made
хийх
gang
шүү.
sight.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the home. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. And you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah,
Son,
you
you
try to
tight.
get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Man, you got apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours true.
Қойдоо явах.
Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure. Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up!
No.
You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man.
Нэрсэг
What
залуу
happened for
вэ?
life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear?
Том
Big Bear,
баавгаач.
that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Каманаач.
Bear, come on.
Тэнтиг юм шиг.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you.
Амтлис. Манай Карли амтлис.
Say the fuck from around here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
This shit's fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in this city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Hey, your haircut make your head look big.
And it's planted in
Homies.
heart.
Дараатай олж яваамс.
Asses for the white education, so I skip a lot of classes. Cause ain't no teaching a nigga white mentality. Teach me the motherfucking gang mentality. Pop,
자.
pop, pops the sucker if he's from another.
Антаа мөрүүлж штэ антаа.
Hey, check it out. Somebody selling to one of the homies.
Манай антууд
Hey, Bond, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need? It's sold now, punk.
Ач.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Эсвэл машинаар л. Манай анд машин мөрүүлж байна.
I thought was my homie dropped the dime, so I gotta peel his cap with the.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, I'm sweating, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussy.
So I loads up.
Ooh, wait.
Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Scusa bene, torrette. Crackby.
Good afternoon,
Sai,
all of
ma
those
so
pushers.
cercano,
Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Buongiorno.
Fuck them Grove Street fools.
Buongiorno.
Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers.
Hey, watch where you
Харин
going,
тийг
boy.
шанаад болоод амжлаа шүү. Бүр баг зодуулчлаа гэж. За яаж холдохгүй болохоор андаа туслаарай. Игүүтлээ шүү.
You won't know why you did.
Баг зохицуулчлаа да. Манд тусалж ийж.
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
Show, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me. Times change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, it's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
Оо андаа. Китгоо дуу.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real bang.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Чин доллар болсон биш. Drive.
What's happening with you, riding?
Respect has to be earned, Sweet, just like money.
So what you saying? You don't respect me?
What I'm saying is,
Speak up, nigga.
I'm hungry.
Oh, man. Hey,
Man
what's going
cannot
on?
live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah,
Man,
I
what
could
you
eat.
fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos?
Tacos again? Hell no.
Chicken, man. No
Man, I
discussion.
don't want no chicken.
Carl, you dry. Smoke looks like
Ditch
you
the
don't
car
pass out.
machine.
Jamming ain't gonna stop y'all.
Our moms get killed. We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Yeah, but people talk, don't they?
Can I take your order, please?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9. Fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his.
Let me get a number 6 with extra dip.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
Go big smoke. Sad залууш.
Hey, sorry, bro. You know I gotta know about mine.
I know, CJ, I know. I'm just trying not to think about it, so. I mean, I didn't even know she was hit until it was all over.
Yeah, right. Let's eat.
Ийм их гол ийм урд гарч. Өртөлчлээ. Түгэл газар.
Hey, don't we got beef around here? We've been getting into it with these fools.
I can't stand cold food. Unlike you, I ain't never ate from a trash can.
Oh, shit. Trash can bitch.
Pass me my food.
Hey, look. Kilo Trey scoping us out.
Damn, Rodney, you a
Үгүй наа
jinx.
дээр.
Shit, them motherfuckers headed to the hood.
Будад хоёр бороо.
Drive by.
Будад хоёр бороо таарч юм да.
Hit it, go. Hit the gas pedal, I keep thinking.
Why you ain't blasting, Smoke?
I'll shoot you out of your eat.
Quit stuffing your motherfucking mouth. Let's go.
Будад чи андаа да.
Homie, I'm enjoying my meal. Hey, kill that asshole.
Beat it up a little, we sit.
Shit, this is a great snack.
Smoke, stop stuffing your face and start popping them balls.
I'm trying to enjoy my food.
Let's roll. And those fools are trying to enjoy our death. Now, come on, Smoke. Shoot.
Hey, I'm just finishing my fries.
Damn, that was some
Ooh,
serious shit.
Yeah, man, those ball fools won't try that again. Carl, let's get back to
Хоёр
the
ихтэй
floor.
будалсан шүү. Аахан.
I'm on.
Oh,
Цааш нь алчдаг шүү.
that food filled a hole. You
chubby motherfucker.
Kuri аюултай
Next time you better
болсон
throw a blast or I'ma blast you myself.
Grove Street-ийн
Smoke, you wide, man. I
үнэхээр
mean, wide.
And that's why you love me, baby. That's one up for the Grove.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold.
Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby. I need to get back to the crib. CJ, give me a ride.
All right, Smoke, let's go. See y'all later. Who was with you back there, Smoke?
Man, if you
Utan
can eat
cera
your
mucho.
food while everybody else is losing theirs
Utan cera
and
hablamos.
blaming you, you straight, huh?
What?
Nothing. Just some poetry I read.
Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the Grove.
Man, got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all. Hey, thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby.
Thanks, man. I wish Sweet thought like that.
He don't mean it, CJ. He's still real tore up about your moms, man. Here, get yourself a little smoky smoke on smoke and relax, homie.
Relax, homie. Цагтаа махчих шүү. Тийш цагтаа бол юу сууж болохгүй.
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just they bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
Соёлтой залуучууд шүү дээ. Санта сутайхан ч юм бэл. 9
Give me 15, motherfucker.
I'll write it down in a sec. I ain't gonna pencil with you fat sucker. Let me play first.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, man?
Who winning?
Who you think, huh? Me.
That does it. That's game null and void, motherfuckers.
So, what kind of guns we working with now?
One time came through, raided the spot. We ain't got shit now.
Well, what you gonna do if the ballers roll through? Throw shoes at them? Say, what happened to Emmett?
Emmett? Gangs these days got Mac, AKs, and all kind of stuff. Emmett, on the other hand, ain't got shit.
Well, until we get that plug, we gotta deal with a cat that always been there for us.
Emmett's a real boulevard family. We ain't too close these days, but nonetheless, I'll take you to see him. Get ourselves strapped up. Come on, man.
Yeah, just shake them up again.
Big
What
Smoke
happened
юм
to the
шиг.
family? Where the love at?
Shit happened. Seville wrongs Temple. Temple wrongs Grove.
Classic
Bad
shit,
blood
shit.
leads to bad blood. If you read the books, that's the way of the world, man.
Yeah, but you know you gotta keep it real.
I admire you, Carl. You're a leader, a visionary. Remember me when you get to the top.
Give it a rest, Smoke. You full of shit.
That's my man right there, you know what I'm saying?
Hey! Who shot at me? What you kids want?
Hey, Pops! Hey, what's happening?
Aren't you Beverly Johnson's boy?
That's right.
Brian, say, ain't you dead?
No, Emmett. The other one, Carl.
I'm sorry about Beverly.
That's why we're here, sir. We want to get the people who did it.
Well, you come to the right place. Try anything you like, boy.
Man, look at this old shit. Die, little glass ball of fool!
Oh, Beverly,
be so proud of you, boy. Shit, I'm the best there ever was. Yeah, that's real Grove Street style now. Cap your ass! Your ass! You want some too? Ice cold, baby. I knew I was the chosen one.
Oh, man. Check out Special Agent Big Smoke.
Oh, you're making me so proud of you. Damn, you're a killer, baby. Ice cold. But remember something. Real strength comes from within, my brother. Listen to the boy. Yeah, I guess Liberty didn't soften you none, huh? Hey, look, let's split. Hey, I see you around, Emmett. I'm 100% behind you, boys. But remember this, you didn't get them from me. And remember this, Emmett is the place for guns. I've always got high-quality merchandise, and I've been proudly serving the community for over 30 years. Crazy old fool. Hey, look, you drive, man.
I seen newer cannons in this strap in the museum. Where we going?
Man, I'm real tired, dude. Drop me off at my crib, baby.
What's going on, man? Shit seems pretty fucked up.
People have to open their eyes and their hearts, CJ.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the choices all men face, brother. Sometimes they seem real, but other times there's no choice at all.
At least you still talking shit. You ain't changed a bit.
Who, me? No, never. Thanks, CJ. I see you around.
Later, Smoke. Speak.
I thought you was representing.
What?
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought you was rolling with Grove Street again.
Already told you I am.
Well, I ain't seen your colors yet. You gotta fly the flag, man. Ain't nobody gonna respect you if you ain't representing your hood.
Alright, man. My bad. I just ain't got around to it yet.
There's a Beaco around the corner from the gym and gas. Go get yourself some green.
Антайхан биш юм уу гэж байна. За, алдар цагаамаг сэнхэр джинснээс салхан дээ. Салуусаа.
Changing rooms over there, sir.
Ихнийгээ дагаад. Ногоонгийн топ.
I hope they don't find the bodies.
Зузаан байна гэхгүй. Кришэрт. Юу л тохиолдчихтэй юм шиг шүү. За энийг л хүсэж.
He didn't say perdon, so I stole.
Try on anything you want, sir.
Алдарт сэнхэр джинсээс олчуд ийсэн. Шорт.
It takes no heart to shoot, ese.
Research.
That's a falta de disrespecto.
Да, сонсчих чи яа та байна.
It was a pleasure, sir.
Төсөлж өгч. Тэр авах явах юм. Шил босч тийм.
I love the boys in Thailand.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Сантаас ганц соёлтой үн саяны бодолтогч биш. Ганц thank you so гэж. Sweet Brother гэж та. Sweet Brother. Big Smoke машин гэж. Hey, you and Duda. What's up, guys?
Yeah.
Hey, CJ, it's Sweet.
Hey, what's up?
If you don't respect your body, ain't nobody gonna respect you. You're too skinny, CJ. You need to pack on some muscle.
If I wanted nagging, I'd buy a clockwork wife.
Just looking out for you, homie. It's all show and respect, you know.
Yeah, I guess.
There's a gym I go to a couple blocks out from the Grove. Go check it out and get yourself a gangster physique.
I'll scope it out. Later, man.
G. G. За хаан жим гэдгийг ийд авчлаа тийм ээ. Дараа фитнес ирэх жилх нь шүү.
I could drive as well as CJ, man, I'm telling you. Hey, homie, what's up?
Hey, what you saying about me, fool?
What's up, man?
I'm saying that the East Coast made you drive like an idiot, fool. Man, you always crashing cars and shit. And for some reason now you back. All it is CJ drive here, CJ drive there. Bullshit.
Man, why don't you just take it easy?
No disrespect, man, but you can't drive for shit.
Thanks, man. Nah. Say what you really mean.
You such a good gunman, homie. You gotta ride shotgun. Show CJ what's cracking.
And you know something? You right. Yeah, CJ, you can drive, homie.
Карл машина барь шүү дээ. Өөр юм барих юм. Ghost Grove Street home families.
I love guys, but not like I love you, girl.
Where we going, homie?
Rolling Heights, Ballers.
Ballas.
Do us a little drive-by.
Ballas
You know something, matter of fact, you are so perfect this little kid. Come on.
G, thanks, G.
Just don't drive like no fool.
Synthesizers. Alright, you know what this is? Hands up, fool. And a barbershop quartet with guns and drugs. Oh, so shut up. CSR 103.9.
Contemporary Soul Radio.
Let's go.
Yeah, Ballers Turf. You dog ready?
Yeah, for sure, I'm ready.
Carl, just concentrate on the driving, and we'll take care of the shooting.
Listen to the man, fool, and try not to park us up a tree or something.
Yeah, if the car stops, we dead meat.
Хацуу дөрвөн баланс.
Let's roll.
How about that?
Man, they're trying to get us popped.
Stab out of here,
What is you doing? CJ!
That was way too easy. Let's go blast on some more baller food. Speed up a little bit.
What is you doing?
Унцаас
CJ!
шүү дээ.
Let's roll.
Балас юм төшин дээр байгаа залууч нэр шүү.
Move it, CJ.
Shit, get us out of here. We're sitting ducks. Get us the hell out of here.
Smash on it, Carl. Smash. Babylon, CJ. Babylon.
Sorry. Ингээл танихгүй шүү дээ. Энэ цантаа нар ингээл танихгүй шүү дээ. Oh sorry. Ингээл танихгүй шүү дээ. Цантаа.
Yeah, Grove is back, man. Grove is back.
Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you didn't get us killed, CJ. Go check myself. Am I dead?
Hey, Carl, ignore that motherfucker. You did good today. You're down with the Grove and the ballers know it. So watch yourself from now on, CJ.
Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later.
Here, take this. Go get yourself some beers.
$100 ээжлээ. Сэтгэээс юм шүү дээ. Sweet go.
Sweet! Smoke!
Say sweet bro.
Shit. Where all the homies at? Fuck they at? Damn. Fuck it.
Hey.
Carl, no time to chit-chat.
Been seeing a Seville family via Work Island Street and the boys don't like it. I'm pinned down in Seville Hood and we need a ride out of here. Pronto.
Oh, for sure, man. Hang in there.
Drive by Emmett to get heated.
За гэлцэхгүй. Манай сэтний газар бүсгүйтэй хүнд байдалд орсон шүү. Хайдрах юм шиг. Гэж. Фильмээс үлсээр битлээч гэсэн юм.
Now that's a Red Groove record right there. Only the love giant can...
За андуу. Манай балаас ч бодлоо. Сэтгэл биш үү дээ.
It's only a little gun.
Үгүй. За баларлаа. Нямбай зүгэл болсон шүү.
Sweet! Smoke!
Эндээс хэрэгчлээ тий. За сайн юм үзсэн шүү дээ. Нямбайхгүй л ямар мобайлтж байсан. Райдерс. Гэтэ засвар хийжсэн. Банзарчсан. Плантай залуу шүү дээ. Яасэл. Гүйцэд залуучууд. Үцэлдэг гэж. Карапт багсч болохгүй тий. Тэсэн юм байна.
Because women love a winner.
That's my brother. Get a car, we'll meet you out front.
Диж маш хэрэгтэй шүү.
And the national fund.
Бороо гэсэн өөрөө нэг хулчдаг шүү дээ.
Seville family on our case, nigga.
Үнэхээр дургуун үнэчтэй. Манайс. Яг бүсгүйтэй байсан бол тоо.
Green blast on blue ain't no way to run it, fam.
Арай хүнсээ авсан. Босгүй залуучууд гэж байгаа шүү дээ.
independence or discovery of penicillin, you
Man, Seville family's going to fall this time.
discovers TV. And let's see this. Wow, isn't that
She got a sister, CJ. You want her now?
We love sports. I don't know that let's talk about it. Stay tight and
За зохицуулчаад ирлээ шүү.
I'll see you inside, baby.
Бороо.
Man, the sex tripping is killing the family.
Sweet-ass.
You get good back there.
Hey, I'm a Johnson boy.
Hey, I got unfinished business. Big love.
Нийтлээсэн юм шиг байна те. Энд нэг боо шүү дээ. Ингээд дамжих хэрэгтэй байна. Энэ томат чиглэж шүү дээ. Мартын. Оо. Били. Юунанда?
I'm tired of you not listening to me, girl.
And I'm tired of you acting like you own me. I can see who I want to see.
It just ain't right you seeing some cello motherfucker.
Oh, what? A no-good, narrow-minded hypocrite gangbanger telling me what is right and what is wrong? Let me guess, sweet. Senseless killing right, but a boyfriend from the south side wrong?
Some things ain't just meant to happen. I mean, what if y'all have kids? Leroy Hernandez? That don't sound
His
good,
name
girl.
ain't Hernandez.
Well, Leroy Lopez
Or
then.
Lopez either, you racist fuck. That ain't how moms raised us.
I ain't racist, I just know how they feel about you. And look at you. You dress like a hooker.
Oh, and I guess you two would know what a hooker look like, huh?
You say it like it's a bad thing.
Shut
up, Carl. I'm just trying to protect you.
For what?
Ширүүн маргаан болж
So I
байна.
can date one of your mindless friends? I don't think so.
Don't say a word, Carl. Just follow your sister before you see another dead sibling. Then you know exactly what my problem is. She's meeting him at some cholo car club.
Сүйтгэх машин унаад авчихнаа.
bottom line is if they don't score more points than the other team, they can't win.
$1048 шүү дээ. Гурван бохир цагтаа дээрэмдүүлээд байна. Савойд заастай тухайд байсан.
In front of each row of seats. It's so inconvenient having to leave your seat, make everyone stand up, to let you by, then go stand in line for the surf princess, dude.
Riders-ийн тэмцээн.
So you must be Sweet's bro, huh? He phoned ahead, said you might be looking for a car that bounces. Well, I owe him big from way back, so here, this should do the trick. Custom Spring should see you hopping all the way home. Try her out. Very popular with the essays. They compete in these things. You can usually find them over by Unity Station. If you ever want to mod your ride, come back anytime, man.
So stay out of the way.
Tell me, the 5 game, that ain't rigged, is it?
Of course not. Hey, I don't get anything professional be fake. Hey, there's too much money at stake for one thing. I mean, these guys got too much to lose. I mean, why is a guy gonna take a dive for a few extra million when he could earn that over a number of years getting his brain turned to pulp? Be serious for a minute. The clock is counting down again. It's time for Derek to head to the locker room and celebrate in the shower. We'll see you next time. Bring a cooler full of beers and get ready to riot. This has been the Tight End Zone.
And this is WCTR, proving that radio is better than TV. That's the show men with large guts love.
The day of liberation is here. Throughout history, only the biggest and strongest survive. Being big means you're successful.
Hey.
I love big men. And as a successful man, you need to feel comfortable when you're sitting down to eat. Clothes for the bigger man. Don't be bound by society, bogus medicine, and the media with their unhealthy focus on being skinny. Don't be constrained by trying to squeeze into a XXX. Bored of feeling like a man in a sausage skin in your size 48 jeans? Bored of being uncomfortable? Kilimanjaro, the clothes shop for enormous men. We're fighting to end hunger. Yours.
Prepare to be scared. The news is next.
This is Leanne Forget, WCTR News. Pop sensation Crow threatens to stop singing. America celebrates. And movies. Are they true? Plus, children. Was Freud right? Do they want us all dead? Now a WCTR exclusive with Richard Burns.
That's right, Leanne. I'm Richard Burns. Crime in Los Santos has skyrocketed, with officials saying carjacking, murder, robbery, and gang activity is all on the rise. Police described it as, and I'm quoting here, nothing to worry about. I met up with a real-life carjacker earlier who showed me the ropes.
I call it the 3 Gs. Just grab, get in, and go. You shut up, bitch!
Yeah, you be quiet, bitch. This is a news story. Oh, cool. This is great. This is quality journalism. Back to you, Leanne. Hey, let's get blunted and grab some Clucking Bell. I have got mad munchies.
Sounds good to me. Fire it up.
Youth counselors in Los Santos are heading to the streets and meeting one-on-one with members of the community. One citizen told WCTR the real problem with drugs.
They always say there's too many drugs in the hood. Homie, that's bullshit. Plain bullshit. I mean, the way I see it is, there ain't enough drugs in the hood. Ain't nothing like enough, and that's the real problem for people.
Police still have no leads in the tragic murder of Officer Ralph Pendlebury, whose body was found recently. Pendlebury worked for Internal Affairs. It was believed he was close to uncovering a huge corruption.
Alright, the homie, let's see if you got what it takes.
What up, homie?
Hey, yo, what's cracking?
You trade that new Clucking Bell?
Yeah, that's total bullshit. You're pretty good for a beginner, eh?
That shit was all right. Ah! So Since when has my brother been a lowrider?
Since Sweet told me to keep an eye on you. Make sure that whatever you dating don't get you in no trouble.
¿Qué onda? Nice hopping, Holmes.
Well, you just shook that whatever's hand.
Come here, baby girl.
Hey, get your dirty hands off my sister.
What is wrong with you?
Holmes, you're acting like she's your woman, eh? She's with me, cabron. So chill the fuck out. I treat her good.
Look, baby, don't start no shit. Don't make it worse.
Órale, vato.
Okay?
Who's this pendejo?
What? Dickhead? This dickhead is my brother.
Easy, Holmes. He ain't from nowhere. He's cool.
Well, I say he ain't cool, Holmes. I say he thinks he's gangster, man. And I don't like it. So you know what you can do for me, man? You can fuck off, pendejo, and then maybe we cool.
No, you fuck off. I'm talking to my sister.
Carl!
Jose, come on, Holmes. I can handle this. This is important to me.
Órale, pendejo. You lucky. That's right. You lucky Caesar's spoken for you. Vámonos, muchachos. Let's get some fucking beer, huh? I'm thirsty.
Carl, what the hell were you thinking?
Look, baby. Go get in the car, okay? I'm gonna speak to Carl. Look, Holmes. I love your sister. I honor her. She's my girl for life. This is why I stopped you from being skinned just then. You got a problem with me? Fine. We don't have to be friends. But Kendo, she's happy with me, carnal.
Yeah, okay. I guess we cool. For now.
Cesar Villalpando.
Carl Johnson. CJ.
Cabron, you got a nice ride there, Holmes. Maybe we'll get to kick it again soon, eh?
Yeah, maybe.
No, this is a romantic comedy with drama. It's got action. It's got a heart. That's what's most important, I think.
Okay, well, let's take a listen to the trailer.
All right, let's roll it.
He was a man at war with himself, fighting a war that someone else lost.
It's over, Tim. The war's over. It's never over.
You've seen him wipe out millions of Cambodians in Exploder. Now, Jack Howitzer is Tim in his most challenging role yet.
We're here, Tim.
A preschool for slow children?
You're the new teacher, Tim.
Special needs cop. It's the story of a psychotic ex-Marine showing tough love to special ed kids.
One of you tards has been running Peruvian flake through the special ed school, and I'm gonna find him. What the hell?
Hey, who is this?
What's up, homie? It's Cesar Villalpando, cabrón. ¿Qué onda?
You seen Kendall?
Yeah, she's around, pero mira, I was just hitting you up to say that you drive good. And you like cars, eh? So,
Yeah, I guess. Where we going with this?
well, you wanna make something, a little money?
Does the Pope shit in the woods?
I don't know, but if you do want a little extra, there's plenty of money to be made racing.
You talking illegal street racing? Hell yeah.
No hoopties, Holmes, just low riders. Nice ones. It gotta be nice so you don't get in, eh?
Okay, I'm in. When and where?
Drop by the spot in El Corona. I'll take you to the meet. Vouch for you. These guys can be very nervous with the new racers, eh?
Anybody find that offensive?
No, Jack, it's appalling. Your insensitive portrayal of disabled people makes me physically sick. And the idea of you calling someone slow-witted is, frankly,
Hold on. Drugs are a problem throughout our society, and I fight them by any means necessary.
Yeah, but you use drugs.
No. I'd rather die than use drugs. I use steroids and some recreational blow, but I got the funds for it. You know, I got the money.
Yeah. Don't you think you're just a little out of touch?
Whoa. Yeah, I'm rich and I work in Vinewood, okay? I'm not out of touch. Action, weightlifting, and killing foreigners. That never goes out of style, Dex. My last film, okay, Loincloth, about a wrestler who's dropped into Thailand and I saved the world by teabagging the bad guys. That's a spiritual picture. That's love teabagging. That stuff ain't out of style.
Things are more sensitive now.
I was affected, all right, when Ho Chi got hurt and exploded. I mean, I thought it was time to do something, a film that made a difference.
About Ho Chi was a character.
Hey, CJ, you made it.
What's the business?
Hey, Carl.
Hey, baby.
Nice ride, man. That's no carucha. You sure you want to risk that, baby?
Yeah, I'm sure. How much they talking about?
It's our cash, your pink slip in the pod. Con Sanfos, eh? Then you pull up and race. The first past the post wins. Con chota sin chota.
Okay, for sure. I'm down.
Hey, watch us, CJ. These boys don't like to lose, eh?
Yeah, well, me either.
Follow me to the race, dude.
Who put you up to this? Gorbachev?
No. You should calm down.
I heard what you said about me. You think steroid shrink my...
Hey, keep up, Holmes.
My balls?
Please! I'm sure you have huge ones.
That's right. Please stop. Come on, they haven't shrunk.
Not far now, eh?
Come on, Sniffle. Do something. No. Touch them or die. They're still big.
Come on, Carl, follow us.
Mom, easy. Hey, don't grab them like that. Oh, boy.
You're almost there, Carl.
Something. Hey.
Just go there for a minute. I cracked myself.
Take it easy. It's not even loaded. Oh, Dex. Oh, shit. Oh, well, I guess it was. Oh, okay, Billy, don't get around. Get up, boy. Get up, come on. Damn it, his brain is leaking. Help! Oh, there's only one thing to do. I gotta defend freedom. No time to cry. Only time to die. Welcome to the land of freedom, bitches!
That was Entertaining America, showing you why America is so respected culturally across the world.
The news, and all the other things that really matter to you, like people dying,
Bodies everywhere.
and explosions.
Hanging from the tree. This accident is really cool.
WCTR.
Excuse me, this is a supermarket. Maybe I'll join in.
Renegade Cologne for the men.
The anti-beef movement. Both Hitler and Mussolini were vegetarian.
And we take on the highly charged debate about test tube babies and actually talk to one.
I have flashbacks and go into hysterics in science class. You know what it's like growing up in a beaker?
That's all today on I Say, You Say. We share last names, but that's about it. I'm Peyton, that's my wife Mary, and this is I Say, You Say, where left is right and right is wrong.
Or where East meets West, and the West always wins. That wall came down, darling.
Yes, unfortunately it did. I don't know if you saw today's news, so who is in the right in this great dialectical disaster? Is it, as I think, it is Cher and Cher Mike, love your fellow man and all wear matching jumpsuits while working on the hydroponic farm growing potatoes? Or kill or be killed, crush the weak, and starve the poor? It's my wonderful life. You decide, or let us decide for you. Give us a call, and let my wife, professor of social Darwinism, or me, lecturer in pointless anthropology, work things out.
That's the problem with liberals. They don't know when to shut up and enjoy freedom. Let's go to the phones.
Yeah, hi. Here's the deal. I'm really funny. Nobody wants to hire somebody funny. I mean, how is that fair? I'm white, middle class, very erudite, you know, whatever that means. But the people just respond badly to me. I don't understand it.
Are you related to my husband?
I hope not. Have you got a question about politics?
Yeah, sure. I know a lot about politics. Hey, can I do your job? You know, I used to be on the radio back in the day.
Even my husband can't do his job, you strange, pathetic little sap. Let's have a real caller, please.